Hey class, this time I'm going to show you a few features about ActionScript structure. Let's get started. ActionScript data types are based on C# data types. Variables must be declared on top of the script body. Functions are used at the moment you want to add some new behavior to any object. The event listener is always looking for any event that is happening in the application context. The functions must be declared beyond the event listener for cleaner structure. The objects can be accessed through its name like any other object-oriented programming language. The application code is compiled at runtime. Once the development has finished, the application is built into that SYF file. Nowadays, ActionScript is still used by designers, but it is obsolete for programmers. JavaScript is becoming more popular and easier than ActionScript. Well, I hope you like this video, and I'll see you next time.